Jai Gurudev students, today I am going to start new lesson 8 science, that is motion. Okay, so what we will study in this lesson, that I am going to tell you about the overview chart, that is known as overview chart. Okay, so first we will study about the introduction, second we will study about the motion, how we will describe the motion, and next is motion along a straight line, मतलब एक straight line में कैसे motion होगा, and uniform and non-uniform motion. We will study about the how we will measure the rate of motion. Speed with direction also we will study, and next we will study about the rate of change of velocity. Graphical representation of motion, how we will represent the motion on the graph or with the help of graph. Now equation of motion by graphical method, that also we will study. Next we will study about the uniform circular motion. Okay, in the last we will study about the summary of the lesson, because it is also necessary to study the summary of the lesson, that we will, when we will wind up the lesson, that time we have to study about what we studied in this lesson. Okay, so first I want to tell you about the introduction. Introduction means that what you have or you know about the motion, or first we will discuss about the motion. Gati. Gati means, suppose this is the marker. The initial position of marker is here, and when we start to move this marker from this place to this place, so initial position was this, and this is the final position. It moved from here to here. It takes time. It means that it is changing its position with respect of time. मतलब टाइम के हिसाब से और टाइम लेकर के ये अपना चेंज कर रहा है. It is changing the position. So this is known as motion. Suppose that car is moving. Car continuously is moving. Moving means from one place to another. That is said to be in motion. It means that car is said to be in the motion. Now one more thing, how we can describe the motion. Suppose you want to tell you about the location of your school. So how you will tell about your school? You will tell about your school. Suppose anybody will ask that what is the address of your school. So you may say that my school is 2 kilometers away from the railway station, or 2 kilometers away from my house. It means that from your house your school is 2 kilometers away. 2 किलोमीटर अवे मीन्स वो तो डिस्टेंस हो गई कि हाँ इतना दूर है. बट रेलवे स्टेशन, इफ यू आर टेलिंग अबाउट द रेलवे स्टेशन, और मे बी यू आर टेलिंग अबाउट योर हाउस, सो हाउस और द रेलवे स्टेशन, दैट विल बी origin or reference point. That will be reference point, or known as origin. Clear is it? Now next thing is that motion along a straight line. So suppose this is the simplest form of the motion. Suppose any object is moving from one place to another in a straight line, so that is known as motion along a straight line. Suppose one object is here at O. Suppose any object is starting its journey from O, it will reach up to the A, and it will reach up to the B, then up to the C. So total, when it will cover or it will reach up to the A, so it will cover a distance of 20 kilometers. When from A to B it will cover again 20 kilometers. It means total 40 kilometers it will cover. And when it will reach up to the C, it will cover 60 kilometers. Total 60 kilometer distance it will cover. So what will be the distance covered? Distance traveled, that will be 60 kilometers. Okay. And डिस्प्लेसमेंट, सपोज वो जो ऑब्जेक्ट है या जो भी चीज है ओ से स्टार्ट किया, सी पर ही रहा, इट विल नॉट कम बैक. सो द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड 60, एंड दिस इज इनिशियल पोजीशन, दिस इज द फाइनल पोजीशन. सो शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द इनिशियल टू द फाइनल पोजीशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज नोन एज डिस्प्लेसमेंट. So it is on 60. So that displacement will also be 60. But one condition is there. Suppose that object come back up to the B. So this is its original position. Now both will change. Both will change. It means distance traveled will be changed, and that displacement all will change. Both will change. How it will change? It is starting its journey from the O, reaching up to the C. So it will cover 60 kilometers, and it come back up to the B. So plus 10 10 यानी 20 kilometer more, it means 80 kilometer it will come back. So that will be 80 kilometer. And displacement 0. This is its original position and this is the final. So 40 kilometer, that is displacement. So this is known as distance traveled and displacement. Displacement may be 0. How? But distance traveled cannot be 0. Distance traveled 0 नहीं हो सकती है, but displacement may be 0. Suppose any object started its journey from O and it goes up to the C and again it will come back to the O. It means that its original position. So how much distance it is covering? 60 plus 60. It means 120 kilometer. That will be the distance traveled, but original and the final position is same. So that displacement will be 0 kilometer. Clear is it? So that 20, 120, 30, what so numbers are given, that are known as magnitude. वो क्या कहलाते हैं? Magnitude कहलाते हैं. ठीक है ना? That is clear. Now uniform and non-uniform motion, that we will study in the next class. So thank you very much. Wait for the next video.